Introducing the Razor C25 electric scooter. Say goodbye to traffic jams and hello to smoother, smarter commutes. With its innovative offset wheel design and pneumatic tires, the C25 offers a smooth, comfortable, and stable ride, even over harsh or uneven pavement. A smoother ride. Razor's innovative offset wheel design with a super cushion TM1 2-inch 318mm front pneumatic tire and an 8.5-inch 216mm rear pneumatic tire to smooth out uneven surfaces and provide a comfortable ride. Long range at high speeds. The C25 has 3-speed modes: Sport mode up to 15.5 mph 25 km/h, Eco mode up to 7.5 mph 12 km/h, and Pedestrian mode up to 3.7 mph 6 km/h. Foldable and portable. A folding design means you can fold the C25 electric scooter up, carry it with you, and pack it away in seconds. Rear-wheel drive. For stability, rear-wheel drive apportions greater weight to the rear, enhancing both drive traction and ease of steering. Perfect for commuters. Recommended for riders ages 18 and up, with features including a headlight, brake-activated taillight, and a LED display indicating speed and battery life. This scooter is the ultimate commuter. Sturdy and durable. With high-quality steel construction, the C25 is a solid and durable electric scooter that stands up to rugged use. The 12-inch front wheel provides stability, while the 8.5-inch rear wheel ensures agility and maneuverability. And with up to 25 kilometers of range at a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, you can go wherever you want to go around town on a single charge. The C25 features 3-speed modes: Sport mode for high speeds, Eco mode for conserving battery, and Pedestrian mode for slow-paced navigation. And when it's time to hop on the train or stow it in the car, the C25's folding frame and quick-release latch design make it easy to pack up in seconds. Experience the freedom of a smoother, smarter commute with the Razor C25 electric scooter. Where will it take you next?
All I